Hi, I'm Alec, a sales engineer here at Pixalate, the market-leading fraud detection, privacy, and compliance analytics platform for connected TV, mobile apps, and websites. I'm based out of San Jose, California, and I've been with the company for 4 years. Today, I'm going to walk you through the reporting on MFA and the analytics dashboard. In this video, we'll go over an introduction to the analytics dashboard, and from there, we'll go into navigating the MFA reporting section to check for areas such as looking at sites and apps marked as medium or high MFA risk, identifying inflated IVT correlation with MFA risk, pulling MFA data by a supply source, monitoring MFA rates such as traffic source rate, and taking action by blocking certain supply or further troubleshooting. We'll also look at scheduling and exporting custom reports. Beyond monitoring and reporting, there are also preventative measures that can be taken with Pixalate's MFA blocklist to reduce impact. We'll touch on this today and discuss further in future videos. Now let's get started. For example, let's look at domains identified as medium or high MFA risk. By applying these filters, we've narrowed the scope of impressions. As a result, the invalid traffic rate has increased. For instance, this site has fairly elevated IVT percentage and may warrant further review or blocking. If you'd like to focus on a given publisher or seller of MFA supply, that is doable by adding in the respective publisher and seller dimensions. We can slide MFA risk over to the right-hand side and hit apply for a full list of publishers and sellers. From there, we could tighten the scope to publisher 158810. After filtering for your desired inventory source, you can download the report for further troubleshooting. With the custom report in hand, a user can dwindle down this list to a subset based on a number of factors. In this case, we'll look at sites with IVT percentage greater than 10%. From here, we can also check for any impressions originating from social traffic. With a more refined list, a user can request a publisher or seller to block these sites. Now, you have not only reduced MFA risk, but also potential revenue and clawback issues from buying partners. When you have a desired set of dimensions and metrics, you can save the report and schedule it to be sent to your team regularly. You can also save it as a custom report and return to it at a later date. With Pixalate's MFA analytics reporting, users can create, export, and schedule custom reports, allowing them to monitor a domain, CTV, or mobile apps associated risk for MFA, providing an opportunity to improve and clean up traffic for demand partners and advertisers. Be sure to check out Pixalate's MFA background video for more information on what MFA is and how it impacts the AdTech ecosystem. We also recommend our next video in the MFA series, Analyzing MFA Data in the MRT. If you'd like to learn more about made-for-advertising domains, we encourage you to view Pixalate's webinar Quantifying Made-for-Advertising Risk in 2024, The Rise and Fall of MFA Publishers, linked in the description below. To learn more about Pixalate's tools that identify and track made-for-advertising domains and apps, contact your dedicated sales representative today.